How to create powerful presentation on PowerPoint. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create powerful presentation easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to PowerPoint and now go to presentations here in the top, click on presentations, and now all what you have to do is go to learning, as you can see, and here you will find powerful presentations. Click on it and click create, and now it will take you to this page. Here you can change anything from the design or whatever you want. It's very easy to edit, and now as you can see it's so professional. If you have a company or whatever you want, you can use this template. It's free. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.